Hello everyone. In this video, we'll bulk import component modifications with parameters from Excel to CADBase. First, navigate to your component settings in CADBase and open the Import Modifications dialog. We'll use these three key columns for name, description, and status, followed by parameter columns. Then switch to your Excel spreadsheet with the prepared data. The first row contains the column keys. Select and copy the entire data range. Now switch back to CADBase in your browser. Paste the copied data into the import dialog and launch the import process. Success! 20 modifications created automatically. Let's verify them on the component page. All parameters are correctly imported, ready to use. This method saves hours of manual work. Thanks for watching.